Hey Jellies, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ellie. So, if you've watched my previous vlog here on my channel, minsan pa ba? Pero if you watch my previous vlog, you'll know na recently I just graduated senior high on July 29, and today is August 14. It's a Thursday, you guys, and tomorrow is the last weekday of this week, which is Friday. That also marks my first day as a freshman at PNU Manila.
So yes po, tama po, New College na po ako.
So I will try my best to document everything that will happen in my first week of college. As in, like, first week talaga of college kasi freshman ako, first year. So this is one of the perks ng pag-aaral sa isang university or sa isang school na merong uniform. And that is hindi mo na pag-iisipan kung anong damit yung susuotin mo for the day kasi may uniform ka na. But tomorrow for our orientation, hindi kami nare-require mag-uniform lang yung all white. Uniform namin tomorrow is yung type C. Uniform kung saan magwa-white top ka and pants. So for my outfit tomorrow, I'll be wearing itong puting blouse na sinuot ko nung nag-OJT ako when I still had my work immersion nung senior high, and then yung blue denim
Bombastic side-eye
na hindi siya denim pero the appearance is giving denim skirt na ginamit ko naman nung New Year's Eve last year. So syempre bago ko siya suotin bukas, paplansyahin muna natin kasi medyo matagal-tagal silang hindi nagamit. So sa pagpaplansya po ng damit, hindi po ako nagmamanual na kabayo at plansya, nag-i-steamer po ako. So since grade 11 ata, I believe ko paggamit tong steamer na to, and it's very handy, like especially kapag may bigla ang gala kayo tapos gusot-gusot yung suot mo, this is perfect. So ayun guys, plansyahin ko muna yung damit ko. Hi guys! So currently it's 6:25 or 6:25 already in the morning, and naalis ako 7 o'clock, and here I am still getting ready. Makompleto lang ang plakadong makeup ng ate nyo. Hindi na ako masyado magsasalita just to save time. Papakita ko na lang kung ano yung products na ginamit ko, and at the same time just enjoy the get ready with me.
Marugod namin kayong tinatanggap sa ating Freshman Orientation 2025.
Siyang-siya ang pagbabago, dapat simulan. Pagbati sapagkat kayo ngayon, everyone.
Hi guys! So ayan, hindi na ako nakapag-update dahil pagkatapos ng orientation at pagka-uwi ko, napagod ako, nakatulog na agad ako dahil nga inaantok na rin ako. Pero anyway, the orientation is done. Tapos na ang papyaw sa PNU. And officially, I'm a freshman na. I mean, technically, nung nag-enroll ako, officially freshman na ako nun. Mahaba yung orientation niya, guys. Nag-start kami 9 o'clock. Nag-end kami ng 12:30 or like 1:45, ganon. So, my favorite part of the orientation was yung part na ginawa nila yung katok ceremony. I think the concept is cute and heartwarming talaga siya na inabangan talaga ng mga freshmen. So, yung katok ceremony is where yung top 1 PNU at passer, as in yung batch 1 and 2, kung sila yung highest sa kanila, kakatok siya sa pinto and then pagbubuksan siya ng director ng admissions office. And yung pag-welcome ng director ng admissions office is like yung official na pag-welcome na pagpasok ng freshman sa loob ng PNU. So I think it was kind of cute yung concept na yon. Buti na lang, like mid-program, yung katabi ko, kinalabit ako. Next thing I know, nag-click yung friendship. Magkaibigan na kami. So parang first friend ko siya sa block namin. So after the orientation, lumabas kami ng venue. And then, kinuha ko yung isang set ng uniform ko na hindi ko nakuha ng August 1 dahil naubusan ng stock. And then after that, pumunta na rin naman kami ng SM Manila para mag-lunch. And I tell you, yung gutom namin was through the roof. So ayan, speaking of gutom, speaking of pagkain, I am now going to eat my dinner. So ayan, same ulam lang, natirang ulam lang kanina umaga. So yun lang yung update for today's orientation day. Oh my gosh. May katipunan dito. Ayun, may pagkainan sila.
So para hindi naman kayo maumay sa kakabasa ng subtitles sa vlog, i-review ko na lang yung mga happenings sa vlog na to. So as you can see, I am getting ready for my second day of classes. So today is a Tuesday, so another orientation day since iba yung subjects namin for Monday, iba rin yung subject namin for Tuesday. So yes, mahaba-haba yung chill days natin dito kay Inang Pamantasan sa first few days. So So dahil hindi pumasok yung second sub namin, mahaba-haba yung time namin makapag-lunch sa SM Manila. And then pagbalik namin ng campus, ang daming pusang sumalubong sa amin. And that's it. Tapos na yung third period namin. So we had to transfer doon sa kabilang building para i-take yung first subject namin na hindi namin na-take kaninang umaga dahil may meeting yung prof namin. So after the classes, umuwi na rin kami kaagad since para-pareho din naman kaming pagod. Then the next day, pumunta ulit tayo ng campus because it is Daguiao Lakbay 2025, also known as yung Freshman Walk for Batch Daguiao. So today, nagkaroon kami ng mini program bago magsimula yung Freshman Walk and yung campus tour kung saan inikot namin yung buong campus, learned new stories, and history na rin about the PNU buildings and the PNU itself as well. So inikot namin yung mga buildings and yung mismong school itself. And then after nung freshman walk or nung campus tour, umikot din kami sa mga clubs. Hindi ko na masyadong na-videohan kasi masyado akong invested sa event. So di ko siya masyadong na-film, sadly. If you've been studying at PNU or if you've studied at PNU or currently studying here, mapapansin mo talaga na mapuno sa loob ng PNU. So, hindi siya ganun kainit unlike yung open area lang siya na walang puno. Dagdag kaalaman na lang din sa viewers ko na dito sa BPS Hall ko tinake yung PNU at exam ko nung May 4. Then after ng event, dumiretso kami ng SM Manila to have lunch with my friends and also played Uno cards while eating lunch. Pero tinigil din namin yan of course para makapag-focus kami sa pagkain and makapagchikahan din kami with my friends. So, after namin kumain, nakapukaw ng attention namin itong karaoke hub. So, trinay namin siya for 30 minutes and masaya siya, ha? And then, after no, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami bilang pampatunaw na rin ang kinain namin. Naglakad-lakad kami with the National Museum and sobrang init, guys. Nakakasunog ng balat. Buti na lang malamig sa loob. So, we decided na ikutin muna saglitan yung National Museum since matagal-tagal po kaming hindi magkikita ng mga kaibigan ko for 3 weeks since 3 weeks consecutive kaming online. Hi guys! So, ayan, nagbabalik tayo sa pagsasalita dito sa ating vlog dahil it's been a while since huli ako nagsalita dito sa vlog na to. Pero, ayun, nagsasalita na ulit ako. And for today is August 22 of 2025. Today is Friday. So, today is Friday and wala kaming pasok today dahil unfortunately yung weather is hindi maganda. Umuulan ngayon guys, bumabagyo dito sa amin. So nag-cancel ang classes ang aming mahal na mayor with the discretion ng profs namin. Hindi kami pina-online today, so nag-async lang kami. But here I am, hindi po nagre-review. But instead, we're going to open some parcels dahil dumating sila today. So if you guys didn't know it yet, I have a small business po. Small printing businesses where my target market or my target audience for my business is PNU1s, kapwa PNU1s ko. So within the campus lang po yung tinatanggap kong target market for now dahil mahirap na silang i-balance and at the same time, hindi ko pa kayang i-manage yung audience outside PNU. So, ayun po. Let's open them one by one, beginning with this one. But it's been a while since nung dumating siya rito sa bahay. So, let's open this one. This one is binder fillers.
since I am planning to take notes during lectures. It's the fillers and yung binder divider. So now let's open the next package. Hindi ko na siya mapapakita sa video dahil medyo malaki-laki siya, medyo mabigat-bigat siya. So, ayun guys, nabuksan ko na siya finally. Ang daming layers ng bubble wrap. So, ang kapal niya. And medyo mapurol na yung gunting ko. So, it's quite difficult talaga buksan siya. But anyways, nabuksan ko na siya. And yung box niya guys is balot ng plastic. So, ayan siya guys. Kitang-kita nyo talaga na tape and very well packaged yung package ko. Yung parcel ko, especially that this is fragile since bond paper itong mga to. And here is the brand that where I bought it from. This is from Quaff, if I'm saying it right. So let's unbox this completely and I'll show you guys what I bought. So ito na siya guys, medyo partially open na siya. As you can see, hindi nyo na siya nakikita sa video dahil mahirap na ako mag-adjust. You can see the flap naman here. So, basically, again, these are just my stocks for my printing business. So, ito yung mga pinamili ko from Quaff. These here, back here. This one is yung ating photo paper. One is matte and one is glossy. So, this one is yung glossy. And then, this one is yung matte. Then, I also bought 3 packs of bond papers.
And that is where this vlog ends. I hope you guys enjoyed and please don't forget to subscribe sa ating channel. See you guys soon on our next vlog.